Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at what exactly I did when I was checking the charts in my last unusual options trading activity video. So if you didn't see that video, I'll link it in the card above right here, and be sure to check it out so you know what we're talking about. Also, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And also, while you're down there, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family, and I really appreciate it as well. And if you're interested in getting 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400 just for downloading Webull and making a small deposit, check out the referral link down below in the description. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so my microphone's about to die, so I'm going to try to make this video as fast as I can and still give you information that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so we're here in TD Ameritrade, and as a bonus, I wanted to show you what indicators I use. Okay, so the first indicator is the RSI, and this basically just tells you whether the stock is overbought or oversold. The next indicator I use is the volume. It shows you how much the stock is being bought or sold at a particular time in the day. So yeah, that's the volume. And then these two lines right here, these two lines aren't something that you can just turn on and off in TD Ameritrade. You actually have to get this coded in. There are links online that you can type in to get these lines, but what these lines are the pre-market highs and lows. And what these are good for is showing support and resistance levels. So as you can see, if you take a look at Apple, we went too far back, but if you take a look at Apple in the day, pre-market low, pre-market high, Apple definitely broke through its resistance today, so that's what that's good for. And then next, looking at the platform, you come in here and see these three lines that light up whenever I scroll over it. These three lines form the VWAP, and it's kind of similar to the RSI. But yeah, those are the indicators I use. Now I'm going to show you what I did when I was trying to decide whether or not to pick a stock. So really what I was doing when I was trying to decide whether or not I pick a stock is I would just look at the chart. I would start on the 1 week. Actually, I didn't start on the 1 week because the 1 week perspective didn't look that good when I was looking. I would start on the 30-minute chart, look at the 10-day. And then after I looked at the 10-day and didn't see much, I would move on to the 6-month chart. Kind of just took a look to see like where the stock has been, its previous highs, its previous points of resistance. Like right here, this is let's zoom in a little bit. Like right here, looks like around 328, 330. Apple has been meeting resistance at these prices. And because Apple has been meeting resistance at these prices, I would consider it a level of resistance. So if I saw a 350 call on Apple, I would be thinking Apple was about to have a breakout. So basically, I was just looking to see if I thought it was realistic for them to hit the price. That's all I was doing. It's not really anything complicated. I was just seeing if I thought they would hit the price. If I saw Apple was trading at $200 and there was a call for $500, I wouldn't waste my time because that's not a trade I think is realistic, and it's not really anything that I think would happen. That's all I really did when I was looking at the charts for unusual options activity. But yeah, I'm going to end this video before my microphone dies. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below in the comments. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. And of course, drop a like, support the family. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.